Hey guys, welcome to Wear Rosie tutorial video. On this video we'll be making a simple trendy skirt. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to draft out your basic skirt first. For this tutorial, first of all, draft out your basic skirt, your waist, your hip, then the length of your skirt for the front part. Then for the back part, you draft out your zipper allowance, right? Then you mark out your dart legs for the skirt. So this is a simple basic skirt bodice, right? So the next thing you're going to do is to close the zipper allowance area. Then you join the sides of your skirt. All right, then when you join the sides of your skirt, the next thing you're going to do is to add your band. So you're going to make just a complete skirt. So this is the first step, to close the sides of your skirt. Then you open up the zipper allowance area, you open it a little, and then you fix your band. Hope you understand this part. So guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button and subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if you have a tutorial you want me to help you out with, you can let me know and I will help you out. So you fix your band. I already have a detailed tutorial on how to make a simple basic skirt on my channel, so just check it on and you watch it. So this is a simple basic skirt. Now to get the design that we are working with, you fold your skirt on, fold like so, to get the center of your skirt. That's the midpoint of your skirt, okay, for the front part. Then when you get the midpoint of your skirt for the front part, you draw it down like this with your chalk, and then you determine how wide you want the front part. If you look at the design, you see that the middle point is just straight. That's the center is just straight. So you determine how wide you want that center part to be. Do you get what I'm trying to say? You determine how wide you want the center part to be. So for just this miniature tutorial, I'm doing mine to be 2 inches wide. Can you see? And then the next thing you're going to do, can you see 2 inches wide? The next thing you're going to do is to cut it out like so. Just cut it out. Okay, so after marking it out like this, you cut it out. So guys, this is just how to make this trending outfit. Okay, there are still other ways to make it, but I feel this one is easier and more understandable for, is beginner friendly. Let me just put it like that. It's beginner friendly, and once you watch the tutorial, it's going to be easy for you to understand. Okay, so the only thing is that maybe it might take some part of your material, but for you to achieve something, you need to sacrifice. So you're sacrificing your material for it. So you cut it out. So this is how your dress will look, your skirt will look. Then you measure the opening, that's that part you cut out. Then you measure the length too. Okay, depends on what you want. For this tutorial, I want to use another color of fabric, just for us to see the beauty of the skirt, right? So you get a fabric that is the same length of your skirt, and then the width is 2 times wider, because we are going to gather it. All right, we're going to draw gather on it. So I've drawn my gather on it. Can you see with my machine? I'm just going to draw it. Now, before you draw down your gather, remember to notch the center point of your fabric. Now, to get how wide you want your fabric to be, when you measure that waist area that you cut out, right, you can multiply it by 2. Whatever you get, you can multiply it by 2 or by 3. That's how wide your material is going to be. I hope you understand. So now I've drawn my gather. I'm going to get the center point of the part that out. Right, I'm going to get the center point so that I'll be able to distribute the gather evenly on the skirt. Right, so the center point of our plain material, I'm going to pin it onto the center point of that waist part that we cut out. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to explain further. So you pin it like this. So the reason why you must pin your material, the material that you're adding to the dress, and you must pin the waist part that you cut out. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I made sure that the gather sits mainly on the waist. Mainly on the waist. Can you see? The gather starts from one part of the waist to the other part of the waist. Then I use my pin to secure it. Can you see? When you secure it, you're going to now sew it down straight. Okay, please, when working on this, make sure you use your pin to first of all pin it down so that you see how it looks first before you now sew it on your material. Okay, so this is how you're going to sew it from one side to the other side. Remember that all the gathered parts are going to sit on the waist, and when you're done, see how I've sewn it. I used 1/2 inch to sew it. You have to be very careful. All the gathered parts are on the waist area. Can you see? Then I sewed it down. When you flip it over, this is how it looks. Can you see how lovely it is? So you do the same thing for the other side. When you're done, you can fix your zip as the last thing you want to do. You can fix the zip. When you're done, how your trendy skirt is going to look. I don't know the name of this skirt or the design of this skirt, but it's so pretty and it's so lovely. So this is the final look of this skirt. Okay, and I hope this tutorial is very helpful. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to explain it. And if this tutorial was very helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. So guys, you can use a crepe material for this tutorial. I used a bridal satin. You can also use an Ankara fabric for this. Any material, just play. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.